What's up, legends? Get ready, because we're diving headfirst into some incredible stories that are about to blow your mind. First up, we're heading to space, and the news from orbit is not what you'd expect. Scientists have discovered that spending time among the stars might be literally aging us faster on a cellular level. We're talking about the fundamental building blocks of life and how the final frontier could be taking a serious toll. Then, we shift gears to the world of medicine, where Chiesi Global Rare Diseases is making waves at the International Congress of Inborn Errors of Metabolism. They're presenting vital new insights into conditions like Fabry disease and alpha-mannosidosis, focusing on patient journeys and outcomes. This is crucial work that could change lives for so many. But hold on, because the drama escalates with a British woman busted at O'Hare with a staggering $6.2 million worth of cocaine. Kimberly Hall's case took a wild turn when she allegedly tried to use deportation proceedings to escape justice. We've got the full, shocking details on how this international drug smuggling attempt unraveled. And finally, get ready for an unbelievable story from the ocean. A 13-year-old from New Hampshire, Jackson Denio, has potentially landed a record-breaking 177-pound halibut. Could this be the biggest North Atlantic halibut ever caught by a junior angler? Stay tuned for all the incredible details and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay legendary. Space travel could be making you older faster. Forget wrinkles from stress. The real aging process might be happening at a cellular level when you blast off. New research funded by NASA and led by Dr. Catriona Jamieson at UC San Diego's Sanford Stem Cell Institute is revealing a startling truth. Spending time in space can accelerate the physical aging process in human stem cells. The study focused on hematopoietic stem and progenitor cells, crucial for our immune and vascular systems, by culturing them in a specialized nanobioreactor aboard SpaceX missions. After 32 to 45 days in orbit, these cells return to Earth showing significant changes compared to their Earth-bound counterparts. They were more susceptible to mutations, less efficient at producing new healthy cells, and their DNA protective caps, telomeres, were degrading faster, a key marker of aging. This directly echoes findings from the famous Scott and Mark Kelly twins study, confirming space's detrimental effect on telomere maintenance. Furthermore, exposure to space radiation increased mutation risks and cellular stress, impacting energy reserves and immune function. While some signs of recovery were observed after returning to Earth, the researchers caution that longer missions could lead to more permanent damage. This vital research is essential as commercial space travel expands, providing critical insights for protecting future astronauts. But what if the biggest threats aren't in the stars, but on the ground? We're about to uncover a story of illicit cargo and a desperate escape attempt that went sideways. Breakthroughs in rare disease treatment, highlighted by Chiesi Global Rare Diseases. In the relentless pursuit of cures for rare conditions, Chiesi Global Rare Diseases is making significant strides. At the International Congress of Inborn Errors of Metabolism, ICIEM, 2025 in Kyoto, Japan, the company presented 9 abstracts detailing crucial clinical insights into Fabry disease and alpha-mannosidosis. These presentations not only showcased advanced clinical research, but also powerfully amplified patient-reported journeys and outcomes, offering a holistic view of living with these challenging diseases. Chiesi hosted a symposium, Catching the Clues, Changing the Course of LSDs, to foster dialogue across the lysosomal storage disorder care continuum, using Fabry disease and alpha-mannosidosis as focal points. Mitch Goldman, Senior Vice President R&D, emphasized Chiesi's commitment to combining scientific understanding with lived experiences to develop comprehensive solutions. Professor Yoshikatsu Ito lauded the collaborative effort between industry, clinicians, and patient communities as vital for driving discovery and improving care practices. As a certified B Corp with a mission to create shared value, Chiesi's work underscores a dedication to improving the quality of life for those affected by rare diseases and ensuring broader access to therapies worldwide. From the cutting edge of medical science, we're now diving into a shocking tale of international crime and a daring, albeit failed, attempt to evade justice. British woman sentenced after alleged $6.2 million cocaine smuggling and deportation scheme. A dramatic courtroom saga has concluded for Kimberly Hall, a 29-year-old British national, who has been sentenced to 6 years in prison after being caught at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport with nearly 100 pounds of cocaine. The street value of the illicit drugs was an astounding $6.2 million. Hall's case took an extraordinary turn when prosecutors accused her of attempting to leverage immigration procedures to flee the country and avoid trial. Arrested in August of the previous year while connecting from Cancun to the UK, Hall admitted she agreed to deliver the cocaine to Manchester. Initially placed on electronic monitoring, her case spiraled when it was discovered she was scheduled for a deportation flight back to the UK. Prosecutors alleged Hall tried to exploit the Trump administration's increased deportation efforts to secure a free passage home, a move her attorney disputed, claiming she was seeking work authorization. The situation escalated when Hall was taken to a federal immigration facility in Indiana and ticketed for a flight before prosecutors could intervene, only for the sheriff's office to be notified when her electronic monitoring ban was returned. With credit for time served and the offense served at 50%, Hall has approximately 2 years remaining on her sentence. Her defense argued she acted under duress, describing her as a very small fish in a grander scheme. Now, prepare for a story that's larger than life, literally. We're heading from the courtroom to the coast for a fishing adventure that's making a splash. New Hampshire teen reels in potential record-breaking halibut. Get ready for an incredible feat of strength and skill. Jackson Denio, a 13-year-old from Hampton, New Hampshire, has potentially landed himself in the record books with a colossal 177-pound halibut. Captain Jim Walsh of Algoron Deep Sea Fishing, who witnessed the catch during a 20-hour trip out of Hampton Beach, believes this could be the largest North Atlantic halibut ever caught by an angler under the age of 16. Denio, who insisted on fighting the massive fish himself, battled the Leviathan for over 30 minutes. The impressive halibut is reportedly 3 inches taller than Jackson and weighs over 50 pounds more than the young angler. Walsh praised Denio's determination, noting that even many adults would hand off the rod in such a situation. The International Fish and Game Association is currently reviewing the catch to confirm if it sets a new junior angler record. After the monumental effort, the fish was expertly cut into steaks, though Denio is still anticipating his first taste of his potential record-breaking catch. And that's just a taste of the incredible stories we've got for you today. All right, legends, let's do a lightning recap. Space travel might be accelerating aging at a cellular level. Chiesi Global Rare Diseases is pushing boundaries in rare disease research. A British woman faced serious charges after a massive cocaine bust at O'Hare, and a New Hampshire teen might have just caught a record-breaking halibut. That's a lot to process, but we're just getting started. If you loved this deep dive into the latest incredible stories, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Legends Nexus for more mind-blowing content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. And tell us in the comments which story blew your mind the most. You can also follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. Until next time, stay legendary.